I've gotten a lot of people messaging me and saying that they need an online job ASAP. And when I take the conversation a step further, they say that they really need an online job right now because they are going to go to college or go to university in a month, and they want to have something that they can do while they are at university. Or some would say they are planning to quit their job in a month and they want to have something to do before that. And some would also say that they're having a major life change. It could be a trip planned or anything, but they want an online job at least in a month. And I've even heard people say that they need an online job like in the next 2 weeks. Now, when I get these kind of requests, I tend to really smile because I do feel that this is an opportunity for me to really highlight and clarify what the process for getting an online job is. And in as much as we believe or we feel like in the online world, everything is instant, everything is now for now, when it comes to online jobs, at least legit online jobs, it's not always that way. In this video, we're going to talk about when is the best time to apply for online jobs. My name is Clementine Afana, but you can call me Dr. Clem, and I teach busy people with a 9-to-5 how they can use their skills and monetize them online to be able to make more money. I do this because I believe that your dreams are valuable, and one of the key challenges that we have in achieving our dreams is not being able to fund them. By working online, you position yourself in a way that you can earn more money so that you can invest in your dreams more. In this video, we're going to talk about when is the best time to apply for online jobs. Before I answer this question that has been asked to me so many times, I wanted to tell you this. The online marketplace is constantly evolving, and the reality is people are hiring online every day. Whether you are looking for a part-time online job or a full-time online job, you can find an online job at any point in time. But the key thing to really know is how prepared are you to find an online job? Because even if clients are submitting, job requests or looking for people to hire, it doesn't mean that you are actually ready to get an online job. Like, I can open my computer right now. If we had a one-on-one session, I could open my computer with you right now and show you different jobs that I open. But if I had asked you to apply for the jobs, you wouldn't be ready. Why? Because one, you might not have the mindset that is needed for you to apply for an online job or to even work online. Two, you might not have the necessary application packages. That could be your cover letters, your resumes, and your portfolios. Three, you might not have an online presence. Where can clients find you? How can they know that you are good at what you said you're going to do or what you're pitching yourself for? Four, you might not even have the required experience or the academic background. No, I'm not saying that for you to be able to work online, you need to necessarily have online work experience or a degree, but I'm just giving you examples of things that come in play when it comes to landing an online job. So even though clients are hiring on a rolling basis when it comes to remote online jobs, you might not be ready at the time the opportunity presents, which is why when you want to apply for an online job, you need to prepare yourself. Now, going back to the question that I get often, when is the best time to apply for an online job? You can see that there's not really a straightforward way of answering that question. But I can tell you that if you are looking for an online job, on average, people will receive guidance, and I'm talking about my coaching clients, the students that I actually teach how to land online jobs using the skills that they have. On average, students land online jobs in 3 months, within the first 3 months of my coaching program. Now, I teach a signature coaching program which is called Making Money Online for Beginners, which is a 3-month program in which I show you the roadmap that you need to follow for you to be able to land your first online job, covering the A to Z process and everything in between that you need to know for you to be able to work remotely. And what I have found after having at least 2 years of running this program is that when students follow the instructions and implement, the majority of them are able to land their first online jobs within 3 months. And that is not 3 months after the program, but that is within 3 months within the program, because the program is 3 months long. So before the end of the program, on average, the majority of my students have already landed an online job. I've had some extremely amazing cases where the students were able to land a job within week 5 and week 6 of the program, but those are rare cases. But I'm giving you this perspective so that you can actually understand that landing an online job is not necessarily a today for tomorrow situation. On average, people can land an online job when they receive the right guidance. They can land an online job within 3 months. Some might land a job online within 4 months, 5 months, or 6 months. I've had students for whom it took up to a year for them to land an online job, and there are many factors that come come in play. Your dedication, the way you apply yourself, your consistency, your willingness to get results. And I will give you 3 key elements to identify before you can actually figure out when is the best time for you. Number 1, figure out when you want to quit your job. If you already have a full-time job and you are looking to transition online, ask yourself when you want to quit, when you're planning on quitting that job. If you plan to quit your full-time job at the end of the year, then you should plan to start your online work journey at least 6 months before you start you plan to quit your job. The reason is it will take you on average 3 months to get an online job, and you want to give a little bit of additional time in case it takes you longer. The second thing you want to figure out is how much you want to make online. Are you planning to work online on a full-time basis or on a part-time basis? And if yes, what are your income goals? The reason this is important is because depending on the type of jobs that you want to go for and how much you want to earn, you might need to have more time or less time when it comes to really finding an online job. So you want to give yourself enough time to allow yourself to go through the process and to give yourself the best chance. And the third thing that you need to figure out before identifying how long it's going to take you or when is the best time for you to apply for an online job is how much time are you going to commit to the process. Now, you might be in a situation where you have a full-time job right now and therefore you feel like your time availability is limited, or maybe you have a part-time job, or maybe you have a family or social activities. But it's important for you to be true to yourself and identify how much you want to be coming to the process, because a lot of times you know that you want to get an online job, but you don't want to commit to the process of actually looking for a job or getting the coaching or the guidance that you need to have. And a lot of people have taken shortcuts, have fallen prey to scams and to get rich quick schemes because they wanted to speed up the process. But I'm here to reassure you and to let you know again that this is not a today for tomorrow kind of situation unless you are ready and unless you've been in the game for a long time. Now, if I look at my coaching students who started working with me a year ago or even 3 months ago and are now working online, they are in a position where they can apply for another job today and they can get it within the next week. Why? Because they are already out there, you have already done the groundwork. But if you are only getting started, you have not tried to work online before, or you have not received guidance, or you have not followed a proven path, or you haven't even done it on your own enough with results, then you are not going to get it as quickly as someone who has already received guidance. So what are the best things that you can do right now to position yourself to get started working online? Number 1, prepare. If you're watching my YouTube videos or if you are watching this video right now, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because every single week I'm going to be releasing informational and educational videos that are going to actually help you prepare for you to be able to land your next online job. Number 2, you want to get coaching, you want to get support. Now, you can land an online job on your own, but it's just going to take you a lot longer than having a coach and having somebody who actually has done it before, has gone through the ropes, knows the system from the back end, and is able to support and to assist you. So I would highly recommend that you get support, you get coaching. Even if you don't decide to work with me, work with somebody who has done it before, work with somebody who has a track record of being able to land online jobs at different times and place. I'm grateful to have been able to coach close to 200 students in the past 2 years on how they can get started landing their first online job, and I have done it myself for more than 2 years now, so I can tell you that the track system that we have works and it gives results over and over again. But if you want to have the opportunity to work with me, make sure you sign up for the wait list of my signature course, Making Money Online for Beginners, where I will show you exactly the A to Z system that you should follow for you to boost your chances of landing an online job and to give yourself your best shot. The third thing that you want to do if you want to land an online job, or if you want to prepare for you to land an online job in the next few months, is do your own research. There are going to be a lot of opportunities for you depending on your skills category, and it's important for you to know that what works for you is not going to be the same thing that works for everybody else. So do your own research, read, watch videos, attend attend workshops, attend events. I have a ton of resources on my official website. I have a ton of resources on my YouTube channel as well as on my social media platforms. Start there, consume consume the information that is available there, the more you learn, the more you research, the more your mind is going to open on the different opportunities that are actually available there, and the more you're going to see that this is possible for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that you sign up for the wait list of my signature coaching program, Making Money Online for Beginners, where I will show you exactly the proven roadmap that has worked for me and for almost 200 people out there who wanted to land their first online job. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more educational videos like this, and see you on the next video.